acid base, some question from acid base, acid base and salt. First write the question. Number 1, define basicity of acid. Basicity of acid. Give example of monobasic, dibasic and tribasic acid. Number 2, what is common to all types of acid. Number 3, state 2 physical properties of acid. Number 4, name 2 weak acid. 1 inorganic and other organic. Number 5, what happens when dilute H2SO4 reacts with number 1 zinc, number 2 NaOH, number 3 sodium carbonate, number 4 sodium bisulfite, number 5 FeS. Question number 6, what will be the pH of a solution that reacts with NH4Cl to liberate ammonia gas? Student, first you write the question and then I will discuss about the answer. Define basicity of acid. Give example of monobasic, dibasic and tribasic acid. What is common to all type of acid? Okay. Question number 6 is, what will be the pH of a solution that reacts with ammonium chloride to liberate ammonia gas? What will be the pH of a solution that reacts with ammonium chloride to liberate ammonia gas? This is the question number 6. Question number 5 is, what happens when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with number 1 zinc, number 2 sodium hydroxide, number 3 sodium carbonate, number 4 sodium bisulfite, number 5 ferrous sulfide? All of you first write the question. you first write question number 1 to 4. Question number 5 I telling you do twice. Question number 5 is what happen when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with number 1 zinc, number 2 sodium hydroxide, number 3 sodium carbonate Na2CO3, number 4 NaHSO3 sodium bisulfite, number 5 FeS. What is the answer of question number 1? What is the answer of question number 1? Can anyone tell? Write the answer of question number 1. Number of H plus ion and acid can donate. এই অ্যান্সারটা লিখলে 0 মার্কস বসিয়ে দেবো। এটা অ্যাসিড can donate millions of H plus ion. The basicity of acid is defined as the number of H3O plus ions produced per molecule of acid. You must mention here per molecule of an acid in aqueous solution. Number of hydronium ion, not H plus ion. H plus ion cannot exist independently. Number of hydronium ion produced per molecule, this is very important, per molecule of an acid in aqueous solution. Monobasic acid, monobasic example HCl, CH3, COOH, HNO3. Dibasic acid, dibasic H2SO4, H2CO3, COOH whole 2 মানে oxalic acid. Or tribasic acid. What is tribasic acid? Tribasic acid H3PO4 phosphoric acid or citric acid. You must remember number of hydronium ion per molecule of an acid. ধর আমি তোকে একটা 1 লিটার অ্যাসিডের সলিউশন দিলাম, সেখানে তো মিলিয়নস অফ হাইড্রোনিয়াম আয়ন থাকবে। That will be not the basicity, per molecule of an acid. Okay. Now next question, question number 2. What is common to all type of acid? All types of acid, what is common? Hydronium ion. All types of acid in aqueous solution give hydronium ion as the only positive cation. You only remember that. Question number 2. All types of acid give hydronium ion as the only positive ion in aqueous solution. যে কোনো অ্যাসিড aqueous সলিউশনে পজিটিভ আয়ন আকারে শুধুমাত্র হাইড্রোনিয়াম আয়ন দেবে। দিস ইজ আ কমন টু অল টাইপস অফ অ্যাসিড। নেক্সট, what are the 2 physical properties of acid? You must remember 2 physical properties. Number 1, question number 3, acid are sour in taste, and corrosive in nature. These are the two physical properties of acid. They are sour in taste and corrosive in nature. Okay. Name two weak acid, one inorganic and other organic acid. Can you tell one inorganic weak acid? Anyone? One inorganic weak acid. Give an example. Hello? Hello student? Give one example of weak inorganic acid. HF. HF, inorganic weak acid. Okay, sir, this is not so much weak, but it is weak acid. Another suitable example. Weak inorganic acid is a carbonic acid, H2CO3, carbonic acid. Or organic acid, weak acid, all organic acid are weak acid. Formic acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, all organic acid are weak acid. Now, first write the question number 5. Question number 5, what happens when dilute H2SO4 reacts with number 1 zinc, number 2 NaOH, number 3 Na2CO3, number 4 NaHSO3, number 5 FeS. This is the question. What happens when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc, NaOH? So you only write the equation. You know dilute sulfuric acid reacts with active metal to form salt and hydrogen. So when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc, Zn plus H2SO4 dilute, it gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Well, what happens? You only write effervescence of hydrogen gas. Effervescence of hydrogen gas is formed. Number 2, sodium hydroxide. This is a neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base to form salt, Na2SO4 plus water. This is a neutralization reaction. Sulfuric acid reacts with base sodium hydroxide to form sodium sulfate and water. Number 3, sodium carbonate. As you know, acid reacts with sodium carbonate, that is metallic carbonate and bicarbonate reacts with dilute acid to give salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. So you write effervescence of CO2 gas. This is the equation. Na2CO3 plus H2SO4 dilute. What will be product? Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus water. Any type of carbonate and bicarbonate reacts with dilute acid to form salt, water and CO2 gas. Now number 4, sodium bisulfite, NaHSO3 reacts with sulfuric acid to form NaHSO4 plus SO2. It gives sulfur dioxide gas plus water. And number 5, FeS reacts with sulfuric acid to form rotten egg smell H2S gas plus FeSO4. These are the 5 important properties of dilute sulfuric acid, either hydrochloric or sulfuric or any other acid. They react with active metal to give salt and hydrogen. They react with base to give salt and water. They react with carbonate and bicarbonate to give salt, water and effervescence of CO2 gas. They react with sulfite and bisulfite to evolve SO2 gas, and they react with sulfide to form H2S gas. Okay. Hello student, understood? Now, what happen when dilutes? Achha. Question number 6. What will be the pH of a solution that reacts with ammonium chloride? Achha, you rewrite the question number 6 as given. You rewrite this question number 6. Question number 6. What will be the pH of a solution that number 1 give H2 gas with active metal, number 2 liberate ammonia gas with ammonium salt, number 3 contain both molecule and ions. If the acid reacts with active metal to give salt and hydrogen, what will be the pH of the solution? What will be answer? A solution reacts, give hydrogen gas with active metal. What will be the pH of the solution? Hello student, what will be pH? Greater than 7 or less than 7 or equal to 7? Greater than 7. The solution give hydrogen gas with active metal, that means solution is acidic. Acid only reacts with hydrogen gas, acid only reacts with active metal to form hydrogen. So question number 1 hobe less than 7. Less than 7. Now next, liberate ammonia gas with ammonium salt. Which solution liberate ammonia gas from ammonium salt? When ammonium salt is heated with an alkali, যখন একটা অ্যালকালি দিয়ে বা বেস দিয়ে হিট করব তখন তারা কি করবে অ্যামোনিয়া গ্যাস তৈরি করে অ্যালকালি হ্যাভ পিএইচ গ্রেটার দ্যান 7 সো কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2টা হবে গ্রেটার দ্যান 7 আর হুইচ কন্টেন বোথ মলিকিউল অ্যান্ড আয়ন normally weak acid or weak base contain both molecule and ion. Weak acid means pH 5 to 7 and weak base means pH 8 to 7 to 9, that is pH range hobe 5 to 9. They contain both molecule and ion, either weak acid or weak base. Weak acid and weak base does not dissociate completely and they give both ion and molecule. Now weak acid have pH 5 or 6 or more than 7 and less than 7, and weak base have pH 7 to 9. So if the pH range is 5 to 9, they contain both molecule and ion. Okay. Hello. Now write another question. A universal indicator indicator give a red color with solution A, comma দিয়ে orange color with solution B and violet color with solution C. What will be approximate pH of A, B and C? তিনটে সলিউশন আছে, ধর এ বি আর সি, প্রত্যেকটা আমি ওয়ান ড্রপ করে ইউনিভার্সাল ইন্ডিকেটর অ্যাড করলাম। আমি দেখলাম যে এ সলিউশনটা বিকাম রেড কালার, বি সলিউশন বিকাম অরেঞ্জ কালার অ্যান্ড সি সলিউশন বিকাম ভায়োলেট কালার। হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেট পিএইচ রেঞ্জ of solution A, B and C? What will be the answer? Approximate pH range of solution A, B and C. Hello? কি হবে রে অ্যান্সারটা? Okay, so you have right almost correct answer. The red color give in a strong acid, that is pH will be between 0 to 2 or 3. Orange color give by moderate acid, that is between 3 to 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 hole yellow color, 7 hole green color, or violet color given by strong base, that is pH 12 to 14. So this is the correct answer. You must remember the color change of universal indicator of different pH range. Say pH 1, 0 to 0 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 7, 7, 7 to 8, 9 to 11 or 12 to 14. This is the range. This is the red color, this is orange color, this is yellow color, this is green color, this is blue color, this is indigo color and this is violet color. Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So this will be the color of the different solution of pH. Aqueous solution of NaCl 35% is electrolyzed and after electrolysis phenolphthalein is added to the solution left what will be the color change? What will be the color change? Say you take brine solution, 35% NaCl solution, we pass electric current. You know, the after sodium hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode and chlorine gas is liberated the anode. After the electrolysis is completed, the solution is left and we add phenolphthalein solution. What will be the color change? The color will be pink color because the solution is alkaline in nature. The solution left is sodium hydroxide, which is alkaline in nature, so color will be the pink color. Now last question. How will you prepare acid? Name any two methods for the preparation of acid. Name any two methods for the preparation of acid. Number one method, action of water to non-metallic oxide. Say CO2 plus water give carbonic acid, NO2 plus water give nitric acid, SO3 plus water give sulfuric acid. Action of water on the non-metallic acidic oxide. Number two, reaction between hydrogen and non-metal. Hydrogen and non-metal. Say H2 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight it give HCl. H2 plus Br2 when heated it give HBr. H2 plus I2 when heated it gives HI. So by the action of hydrogen with some suitable non-metal we can get hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Or non-metallic oxide when dissolved in water it gives carbonic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, P2O5 plus water, phosphoric acid and so on. Okay. Hello student. In the e-portal I have sent many questions. Have you answered all the questions? Many MCQ have been sent in the e-portal. করেনি কিছু? Okay. So when e-portal will work function properly, you must try to answer all the questions that I have sent in your e-portal.